And this is a bit more ethereal, this one. It's called Freo Doctor, and it was part of it was commissioned to write it as part of a poetry project called 22 Pillars, where it was at the Freo High Tide Biennale last year, and everyone was in these robes, and we would be standing against these pillars in the Pakenham Street Arts Centre. There's 22 pillars there. We all had a Fremantle archetype, and we would just be standing there repeating our poem to people walking around, and they'd come up and I'd speak the poem to them, and it was really kind of fucking... It was really cool. It was weird. It was cool. And so we all got an archetype, like the boat builder, the remover of tattoos. And I got, sort of randomly, the exact one I wanted, which was the Fremantle Doctor. And so I wrote this. Her healing comes when it must, the Freo Doctor. She snatches seagulls above Rotto as she races in to slice up the still day, makes inquiries on the cafe strip. What is all this empty work? What does your city worship? Makes choirs out of highways, visits the bong architects in their sheds, cools the sweat of school kids and tradies. She makes your name numb, asks, why do you need a price? You hear the wind chime again. After a year without music, she says your heart can't beat songless. And maybe without that thick heat, you'll stay outside to hear orange in the sky as she makes art in the waves. And if you breathe her in, what will you be tonight? Cheers.